Hello everyone and welcome back to Camera West TV. Today we're going to be checking out the brand new Hasselblad. This is the 907X, which we've seen before, but it now comes with the 100C back. Let's open this thing up, take a look. Got our standard pull tabs here. All right, once you open the box, you see right away you have your back plus the body, and we probably have some accessories over here on this side. Before we get to this stuff right here, let's go ahead and check out what comes with the camera. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a little flap that opens up to get to your accessories. Right here we have a wall charger, and we have our, the hot shoe adapter. And that's it for this part. Set this aside. Let's check out what's in here. Silica gel, don't eat that. All right, looks like here in this little thing here, we have our quick start guide, which we're not really gonna take a look at right now because there's really not really a point. We do have a nice strap to go with the camera here. We have a PC sync cord, I think. This is a little bit before my time, but I haven't had to use one of these in quite some time. Assuming that this is your USB-C cable, which is being particularly troublesome. All right, so we do have a USB-C to USB-C cable here. It has a nice braided exterior on the cable. It's actually kind of nice. It feels kind of premium. All right. And as far as length goes, it's about as wide as my table here. So it's got some decent length to it. And in here we have our strap eyelets, which how we would need to connect the strap to the camera. First off, let's have a look at the body itself. So one thing that's really cool about the system is just how small it is. And this is the body. It's literally a super thin, but yet very smart. This is a super tiny body. There's nothing else like this out there on the market right now. As you can see here, it does take the XCD lenses. And here is the thing everyone's going to be excited for. This is the 100 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor attached to a display, pretty much. The back display is cool, just like the other one. It does tilt at a 40 and also a 90 degree, and it does lock in at those points. On this side here, we have our card slot and our battery slot. It does take a CF Express Type B card, and it does also have a 1 terabyte internal memory, so you don't actually need to use a card if you don't want to. And inside here, we do have our battery, but it did come pre-installed, except there is a little bit of tape here. So we're gonna take that off and we're gonna put this back in. All right. On the bottom here, you can see there's actually some inputs. You have a remote, a flash in, a flash out, and a ELX port, which I'm not entirely sure of what that is, to be honest with you. On this side, we do have a USB-C port, which you can use the included cable to transfer any files off of this as you need to. Let's go ahead and power this on. Actually, before we power it on, let's get it onto the body. Push it in and this way, and look at that ginormous medium format sensor, which apparently already has a speck of dust on it. I'll take care of that later, but we're gonna go ahead and put the body on. Nice little satisfying click. Put the lens cap back on because I don't have a lens with me at the moment. But this is your entire body for this system. On the front, we do have our lens release. We also have a dial here and your shutter button. It's a super simple design. I do actually like this camera and what it stands for. It's elegant, it's nice, it's pretty. Yeah. On the bottom here, we do have a 1/4-20 mounting socket, as well as connection points here for the grip, which I don't have. But what I do have is the viewfinder. And I forgot a blade. There we go. So this here is the optional viewfinder, which is going to have frame lines that match up to the newer XCD lenses. Looks like you actually do have to assemble it. So this is going to be set up for a 28, a 38, and a 55mm lens, which looking through, yeah, you've got those in the viewfinder. It's actually a really clear looking finder. It's very bright. So we can slide this into this. We can take this off. And to install this, it's actually rather simple. We need to separate the body, take this little piece out right here, and then this just slides in. Puts it back up, and there we go. So you can see the finder sits on top. It's not going anywhere, it's rather secure. There's actually a press release button here to remove the finder itself. Well, that is the unboxing of the 907X 100C from Hasselblad. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And until next time, happy shooting. This is Adam, and I'll see you next time.